Good morning, good people. Whew, it is cold. It is officially Canuary, so we're kicking that off. I know today's the 6th, but whatever. So it still counts because I was doing a lot of canning last week. So anyway, I got my hat on because I'm actually cold today. I know, shocker. Paula actually does get cold. So what we're doing today is kicking off Canuary with vegetable beef soup. I'm going to go from start to finish. I'm actually roasting some beef shank bones to make bone broth and beef stock and all that good stuff. So I'm going to take you from there all the way to canning. Um, Unfortunately, I didn't video everything because I made some keto drop biscuits to go with it, and for some reason that didn't record. So I can link a recipe later on, or I can just do a video on that altogether. But anyway, so let's get started with Canuary. Our first up video is vegetable beef soup. Alright, so what we got here is some beef shanks that I will be roasting for about an hour and a half. Makes the best bone broth. And since we need broth for this recipe, why not? I got them super cheap. I don't think I saved I didn't save the package to show you the price, but it was under $5. And this made about 2.5 gallons of broth. So we just got through doing that. Now we're going to throw it in the stock pot. My big shiny stock pot. So there they are. 2 big pieces. I think it's about 1.5 to 2 pounds of bone. Look at that. Oh, so pretty. Pretty. Anyway, so that's going in. And we're gonna, don't worry. We're gonna get it in there eventually. I'm me. So we're gonna put all those beautiful drippings in there too, because flavor. Oh yeah, every little drop. There you go. Don't miss a drop. Okay. Yep, I'm still going. It's still dripping in there. Don't miss a beat. Sorry about the phone noise. So, this is like 2.5 gallons. Yeah, 2.5 gallons. And we're getting it started. And I believe I cooked this for like 7, or simmered it for like 7 hours this day. Because I started like 7 o'clock that morning, and I think it's like 3 o'clock or something. It'll show the time in a minute. That's either the time or it's the temperature of the oven. I had a lot of things going on this day, so who knows. So with broth, I don't do anything but salt and a little pepper. Garlic's fantastic, but that's not needed at this point in time. We are just trying to get the broth out, so apparently I'm super amazed by this because, oh, there we go, salt. There's the salt. Alright, so there's the bones out. Now we got this, and what I forgot to tell you is I put some bay leaves in there, or I'm about to, and 1 quart of crushed tomatoes. Crushed tomatoes, stewed tomatoes, whatever you want to call them. I did about 1 quart. Again, this is 2.5 pounds of liquid. There's my little herb bundle. Now that's not what my bay leaves are in. That's rosemary and thyme. Yeah, rosemary and thyme. And then my bay leaves are separate. Yeah, it'll drop down in a minute. It just takes a while. Once it starts boiling, it falls down. I think actually this particular one, if I'm not mistaken, it did not. So part of my mess, I just had lunch. So we're doing a little cheating today. We're doing some pre-chopped veggies. I got my little hash browns. That's fine. The good thing about the hash browns, it doesn't all stay together, and that makes it thicken up the soup really well. Whatever those things are called, I found those at HEB. So, shocker, me at HEB, right? Okay. Yep, that's it. forgot to mention that. So now we are searing the meat. That's gonna go in there. The soup is already going. It's gonna go right in that pot right there. Yes, indeedy. And then after that, I am going to saute some onions because it just makes the flavor so much better to do it that way instead of just dropping them in the pot. But just a few, because I already have a bunch in there. I'm mostly wanting the caramelized flavor. And honestly, I can't handle a lot of onions. But we just want enough for the flavor. So that's looking nice. Getting all those little bits out from the beef. Don't want to waste any of that flavor. Nope. Stir it around, Paula. You can do it. Okay, there we go. Yeah. Shows the goods, lady. Okay, there we go. See the, you saw the, that's what I love about this skillet and that pot. The lid. I have a lid for both, but the lids are interchangeable. Love it. I don't even remember where I got that skillet. I love it, though. Yeah. So, not sure what's good. There we go. I don't know what happened just there. But anyway, so that's the finished product. Now it's going to simmer a bit. Ooh, look at it go. All the veggies. Oh, it's so pretty. The color turned out great. So yeah, man, that wound up being like, by the time you add everything, it's like 3 gallons of product. How awesome is that? Of course, we ate on this before I canned it, so everybody got their fill. But yeah, man, that looks great. We're about to get to the good stuff here in a minute. I'm just apparently lagging a little bit. Oh, there's the biscuits. So right here, I did get the biscuits. At least a video of it. I just didn't get the video of the process. These biscuits are keto and they are delicious. I am going to put the recipe in there. But they're super simple. They're drop biscuits. So here we go. So you always put your dry or your solid stuff in first. You want it about half to no more than 2/3. If you do any more than 2/3, then you're not really going to get a proper process. So around a half to 2/3, then you fill up the liquid. See how I did that? Yeah, I spilled it all over the counter. We're just not going to go there. You can look and see in the background, I already got most of them done. So yeah, so you want right up to the lip right there. That's how we do it. Anything less than that, you're causing yourself to create more air, and then air is our enemy in pressure canning or any canning. So yeah, that one's a little less, but it's not going to be a big deal because there you go. You know, you still have a delicious thing. You can always add meat to it later if you have to. One of these jars or two, let's see, yeah, 2 of these jars, actually, it was just the broth because I ran out of, veggies and meat and stuff. But that's okay. You already have the broth ready to go for soup later on. Yep, that's nice. All the veggies are they're cooked. But you got to understand that you're going to be processing them. So some of them are going to lose their shape and just become mush and just thicken the soup, basically. Yep. We're lagging again. I'm not sure what that's about. Sorry, y'all. Okay, so we're getting ready. Yep, got to clean those rims on the inside and the outside because it'll compromise the seal if you don't do it like that. Yep. I don't know what the crap's all over my counter over there, but apparently I just was moving crap around. Oops. Yep, push that one to the side. Next. And just a reminder, with pressure canning, you don't have to sterilize your lids. If you do, not a big deal. If it's super, super cold, maybe you want to heat those lids up just so they stick better. If you feel like that's a thing. I don't have these issues. Ooh, look at that. So what we did this for an hour and a half for the quartz. And see, there was a little siphoning with the spatulas. You can see the ring. There's crap all over it. I mean, it is what it is. Thanks for watching, y'all. Love you. Bye.